Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside Performance Laser Distance Measurer, the model PLEMP75A1 with a green laser for better visibility in daylight. Measuring range from 0.05 to 75 meters. Measurement accuracy typical 1.5 mm more or less, and measuring accuracy on tilt 0.3 degrees. Compared to the regular model with 50 meter max distance measurer, this one has up to 50% larger working range, up to 150% more data storage and 5 times improved visibility of the laser beam. Batteries included with a 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have in the manual a lovely storage bag. You can have it at your belt. We have in here storage. The strap goes here. Two 2A batteries. I was hoping to have a rechargeable laser unit batteries. We have 7 buttons: the miss button, the information button, power button and back, the mode button, the basic button settings, the minus button and the plus button. The display, soft elements around. You can install any tripod at the back, the battery compartment, and we have silicone rubber around the cover, sealed very well. Nice. Turning on. With one button you can start the measurement. We can see different measurements. Here we can see at this area the slope angle display. Nice. The reference level of measurement, the measuring function display, the battery capacity and the measurement values. On mode, you can choose a different mode, navigate with these 2 buttons. Now it is on distance measurement, continuous measurement. With this button you can choose. We have different values: minimum, maximum, large figure or tape measure. You can go back, area measurement, volume measurement, indirect distance measurement. Choose again. We have the indirect height measurement, double indirect height measurement, indirect length measurement, and back. We have so many options: wall area measurement, stake out function, and we have the digital sprint level. There it is. Wow, my table is very good alignment. And back. Mode again. Memory function. And here you can check all the measurements. You can delete or go back. And other settings. You have all the options here to choose. and you can choose what you can do with this button, the information button. Let's go back, and we can see it is mute. You can't hear any sound. Unmute. Nice. And again, settings, and you can choose different type of measurements: meters, centimeters, there it is, 508.10. Nice. Settings, battery, and here you can adjust on the brightness. Nice. And here you can choose the various reference levels. You can start the front edge of the measuring tool, the near edge of the measuring tool, or the center of the tripod thread. At the front. And again we have the volume, mute and mute, vibration, mute and mute, the device is vibrating, the brightness, I like that it has so many settings. And here you can start the calibration, delete the storage, or reset the device. Now this is 75 meters the maximum. Let's see if it can measure that distance. Unfortunately, the only measurement I could get was 43 meters in a small, shaded area. I tried using it outside, but it was impossible to get a good measurement. I always got an error at the display. So it's better to use it indoors or in low light. And that wraps up our in-depth look at the Parkside Performance Laser Distance Measurer. If you are tired of cumbersome tape measures or inaccurate guesswork, this tool is an absolute game changer. With its impressive 75 meter range, pinpoint accuracy of 1.5 mm more or less, and that highly visible green laser depending on the lighting conditions, you'll get fast, precise measurements every time. From calculating areas and volumes to indirect Pythagorean measurements and even tilt, the Performance Laser packs professional grade versatility into a compact, easy to use device. If you are a DIY enthusiast, a renovator or a professional looking for a powerful and reliable laser measurer that offers incredible value, this one is a fantastic investment. What's the biggest measuring challenge this tool could solve for you? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more Parkside performance tool reviews and DIY tips, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and go measure with confidence.